Individuals needing to put resources into digital currencies could think purchasing a coin requires truckload of cash. The high worth of coins like Bitcoin and Ether could make it incomprehensible for new amateurs to purchase crypto coins. By the by, there are different coins that you can find at a worth of under $1. However, these coins could have an ostensible worth. They may be worth very much more later on. Not at all like Bitcoin and Ether, you can purchase these coins in enormous amounts. In 2020, the DEFI token, AMP, is supposed to altogether affect the worldwide economy, in addition to the fact that it is a computerized token. Yet it likewise goes about as an installment entryway for clients on the Flexa organization. Dissimilar to other cryptographic forms of money, it is viewed as a class separated because of its starting point and execution. One crypto coin that has grabbed financial backers' eye is AMP. Albeit the AMP coin experienced promising and less promising times in the earlier years, yet has assisted financial backers with getting a 16% return for capital invested up till now. We should plunge into the coin's outline to see more about it. AMP is a sort of digital currency with unexpected usefulness in comparison to different coins on the lookout. It goes about as security, and the Flexa organization involves the digital money for its help. The coin can prove to be useful to cover the monetary exchanges that can turn out badly. As per the AMP site, getting different sorts of resources, for example, computerized installments and credit distributions, can be utilized. It can likewise be utilized to ensure the exchanges that are made on the stage. Regardless of the underlying cost of AMP being high, it has since tumbled to under 60%. This doesn't imply that it's a terrible speculation or an awful token. Today, the AMP cost is $0. It has a 24-hour exchanging volume of more than $3,417,970. As of now, the digital currency has lost 7.21%. Its ongoing business sector cap is $144,514,390, and it has a flowing stockpile of over 42,227,701,186 units. While the coin's worth isn't excessively high, an ideal decision for individuals need to begin with a modest quantity of cash. Crypto coins are without a doubt a hazardous market, yet it offers incredible revisitations of financial backers. Along these lines, coins like AMP are great for individuals who need to put resources into crypto with insignificant venture. We should go over the future cost expectation for the AMP coin. In any case, it is essential to comprehend that the venture choices you make shouldn't just be founded on the cost forecast examination. These will give you a short thought in regards to how the coin cost might work out from now on. AMP Value Forecast 2023. The different cost expectation apparatuses demonstrate that the typical exchanging cost will remain around the 2 cents mark in 2023. According to our examination, the typical exchanging cost of the AMP coin will probably be between 1 cent to 1 cent. In the event that the market opinions are positive, the AMP coin's cost can go as high as 1 cent. On the other side, in the event that the market keeps on remaining negative, the most reduced cost of the coin can slip to 1 cent. 2023 may be a decent year for the crypto market as we hope to see a few principles and guidelines for digital currencies. New guidelines will give a lot more secure biological system to individuals hoping to enter the crypto market, alongside different advantages. In particular, it will likewise diminish the unpredictability on the lookout. In any case, these things are still being worked on and could happen at some point or another. Thus, until further notice, the unpredictability will keep on remaining in the crypto markets. Financial backers ought to zero in on exploring more about AMP coin and the market patterns to grasp the effect on its cost. AMP Value Forecast 2024. The first and second quarters of 2024 will choose where the cost will arrive at before the year's over. Specialists have an uplifting perspective for the AMP coin's cost as the digital money reception rate increment. Regardless, individuals needing to put resources into AMP ought to likewise watch out for the steadily changing crypto market element. Since there are no proportions or execution measurements, the most effective way to decide the conceivable coin cost is by watching the economic situation. The quick and solid nature of the AMP biological system is supposed to assist it with acquiring a lot of significant worth. This could permit it to acquire a cost of 11 cents per coin. Assuming the interest for useful digital currencies keeps on rising, the cost of AMP may likewise go up. As per the organization's cost expectation for 2023, creating a gain from putting resources into the cryptocurrency is conceivable. AMP cost expectation 2025. On the off chance that cryptographic forms of money become a critical piece of the monetary framework, it will assist the AMP with begettings worth to increment in 2025. Many organizations have a guide to acknowledge crypto coins as a method of installment for their labor and product. Furthermore, the job of the metaverse and computerized resources will likewise affect the crypto market. There are different hypotheses about the fate of AMP. albeit the innovative headways that the organization has been working on are supposed to emphatically affect digital money. It's as yet conceivable to anticipate that it will reach 14 cents. The principal factors that have added to the cost of AMP are its versatility and security highlights. The group behind AMP has made an interesting and strong framework that is fit for dealing with various sorts of exchanges. Throughout the following several years, the digital currency is supposed to acquire a lot of significant worth and arrive at a most extreme cost of 17 cents in 2025. We saw a blast in the costs of different digital currencies, including AMP, because of the great notoriety of NFTs. Clients can buy these computerized resources through digital currencies. Assuming more developments like these come up by 2025, there is plausible that crypto coins like the AMP can see a huge expansion in their worth. AMP Long Haul Conjecture 2030. When we discuss AMP coins' drawn-out gauge for 2030, financial backers should comprehend that it's trying to foresee a precise cost figure. The crypto market has a rundown of unpredictable elements that can affect the coin's worth, and thus, the cost relies on how these variables will turn out in 2030. In any case, we have dissected the cost expectations from different man-made intelligence-fueled apparatuses. The market is supposed to turn ideal in the following 2 or 3 years, and it's feasible to foresee that the cost of AMP will increment fundamentally. This will permit the digital currency to break all obstructions and arrive at another high. AMP can be remembered for a financial backer's portfolio because of its anticipated cost increment. The digital money's strong savvy contracts are likewise expected to assist it with acquiring a lot of significant worth. It's feasible to expect its cost to reach 19 cents toward the finish of 2026. Rather than zeroing in on the momentary speculation, specialists in the field of digital money like to zero in on the drawn-out objectives. With a touch of persistence and a serious level of good faith, financial backers can expect a circle back in the drawn-out worth of AMP by 2027. As the reception of digital currency keeps on developing, it's normal that it will end up being a huge player on the lookout. The AMP coin cost has seen different highs and lows over the course of the past couple of years. While the coin saw a progressive decrease in the initial not many months after its send-off, it saw a consistent ascent in its worth till the second quarter of 2021. The AMP coin's cost bounced from $0 the main 7-day stretch of January to around 7 cents by May 2021. From that point forward, the AMP coin's worth saw a sharp decay, plunging to 39 cents inside the following couple of weeks. The coin lost around half of its worth from May 2021 to June 2021, preceding seeing a spike again in June. It arrived at an unsurpassed high worth of 12 cents on June 16, 2021. In any case, it before long crashed following half a month and was at 4 cents in the third 7-day stretch of July 2021. In the beyond 8 to 9 months, the coin has been going through a negative market. Specialists accept the coin could bounce back when the market recuperates from the ongoing auction. AMP forecast. And while the AMP coin is at present encountering a descending direction, specialists accept it can possibly see development. The coin appreciated persistent increments all through 2021, responding decidedly to the market feelings. Accordingly, we anticipate that this digital money's worth should increment in the following couple